Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you where you can find the share link for your page inside your Microsoft Loop workspace. For example, if you'd like to invite some of your contacts to work with you on a project or a page, like, I don't know, a Kanban, for example, or any other, here in the page. So let us dive into this. So head over to Microsoft Loop. Next, navigate to the workspaces and select a workspace from that list. I will go with this one. Next, navigate to the page. Now, instead of clicking into it, guys, simply click into these three dots and select Share Page Link. However, if you already have your page open, you may do that also via the option here in the top right, where you see the Share button, and simply select Page Link. And that is going to generate that link. And now you will be able to share that invitation link with anyone so that your contacts may work with you or add edits to that page. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.